The issue of border dispute can be sorted out in a micro level. In a small micro level, we not take it in a broad way. This is a small pocket which was not disturbed all those years. But now suddenly now in just 2-3 months, I don't know what. People will
Let us maintain the status quo. Let the government decide.
See,
We'll respect
Till up to
whatever
that, sir.
decision we get.
It's our humble
I
request.
respect that status quo is a very abusely used word. Many times you say status quo, but sometimes people are not.
Sorry, status quo means status quo.
There was no such dispute whatsoever those days. Suddenly this year, there were electric posts erected by ASEB, the cemented. So we came and dismantled those posts. Okay, I've spoken to the border magistrate also from Assam. Said you should have informed us. I said, sir, when someone comes and dig a well in your compound, so you can't wait for law. You have to stop the person. So that happened. Suddenly now, I see after solution to this problem, then we directed the MECL to erect the post. Last time what happened when I came here, when the electric poles were erected here, those cemented electric poles by ASCB, when I spoke and communicated with the local populace here, they said, sir, we are very much under Meghalaya. But then since MECL is not providing us with electricity, we have somehow been supported by some local contractors from Assam. I said, fine, but then permission should have been sought. So that's why we removed those and we have provided the MECL electric poles now. So why this issue can be
He stays here like half kilometer away.
See, I'll tell
Then
you.
you are telling
The best thing is,
I'll bring some local
the best
people
thing
also.
is, I'll tell you here, ACP Saab. The best thing is that where you are standing, suppose me and you, we are standing here. A settlement of this place can be done through the ancestral document issued by the CM, right from the 60s and 70s. The CM is here. The local Gaubra here, Muklos, right from the 50s. So now, honestly, why create a record out of this? This area is entirely unperturbed by such term as dispute. In 2009, I'm saying, I used to come to this area frequently, even as a video, me also used to come. NRGS work, you can see where we are standing right now, is an NRGS work under the Mahatma Gandhi. They are local. Huh? This
There are
road,
so many locals. He is also local, then I can bring someone. He will also
Yeah.
they are all local.
we are talking about the indigenous population here. Those whom we are bringing, they are not indigenous.
Even
I'm
with
talking
these
about these Garo Indians who have been here since time immemorial. Now, unnecessarily, we are
Sir, he is also indigenous. He is wrong. He is of the tribal
admin of,
admin of the. Yes, he is a wrong. He is the
Senior
Kadambi.
Bachelor.
Admin, Karbi.
You are the headman of this area. Since when?
From Rota here, from a photo.
No, yes, sir, it should be removed. No, it should be removed. It will create confusion.
It will not
It
create.
will create confusion because discussion is going on.
Then
Let's
you have to now. Then one condition, if you have to remove this pole, then all the poles which are around here will remove.
no.
Just like that.
Are there any other poles over here?
Let's up.
The priority is that people, the local population here should live peacefully.
Yeah.
Close
Yes,
family.
yes.
That's
That's
your main
only.
direction.
That's only. That's only.